We've developed a policy with the 100% support of our governing body. I think it's really important that as a governing body and as senior managers at the college that we all get behind the Welsh language and actually demonstrate to our staff and to our students and to the wider community and indeed employers that it's valuable and that we're behind it. And certainly our policy sets out some ambitions for us over the next few years in terms of the standards we need to achieve. We're in North East Wales, which is fairly anglicised, but we never use that as an excuse. We are out there pushing the boundaries, and the more people that speak Welsh, then that makes us an even more successful college than we are at the moment.